Hello everyone and welcome back to another virtual program presented by Pamunkey Regional Library. My name is DJ and I'm the Adult Services Librarian at the Mechanicsville Branch. Today we're going to be doing our Friday Adult Take and Make craft for November. We're going to be making autumn napkin rings. These take and make crafts will be available Friday, November 4th at the Mechanicsville Branch, and they are available while supplies last. If you want to continue watching this video for a little tutorial on how to make these and your own if you want to, please keep watching. So I have here with me all the materials that are included in the Take and Make kits. Each kit includes enough materials to make 2 napkin rings. So what we have here is we have our little napkin ring base. These are little bejeweled napkin rings that are Velcro on, just like this. We have 2 pieces of twine. These are what we'll use to attach our autumn leaves. And an assortment of autumn leaves. This pack includes an assortment ranging from brown to yellow, etc. Each pack will have different colored leaves, so look out for those. This is a pretty straightforward craft. All the materials that you will need were available in the Take and Make kit. So we'll go ahead and we'll meet everyone back for the steps. So really there's only a few steps for this craft. Step number 1, we're going to take our napkin ring and our twine, and we're around the center of the napkin ring, we're going to loop our little twine through one of the little wire squares in there. Again, we might have to squeeze it in there because the twine is a little thick, but it'll come through. And we will loop the other end through another square as well. Again, it can be around the center or it can be toward the edge, whatever your preference is. I'm putting it a little closer together so I can make a bigger bow, or make a bow easier, but that's entirely up to you how big you want your bow to be. It should look something like that when you've looped it through. So for this step 2, we're going to take our little autumn leaves and we're going to use the almost like a stem part of our leaf, and we're going to put them in between here, and we're going to take our twine and try and tie it together. Now this is the point in the video where it might be a little tricky to tie them in together. So if you wanted to use something like glue or tape to hold them together, you very well could. I'm not going to use any of that. I've tested this before and the twine has worked just fine. Attach it like that. So it should look something like this when you're done. Again, it might take a few tries to make it as tight as possible to hold the leaves in, but once you do it, it'll look something like this. And obviously you can arrange the leaves however you'd like. You can just use 1 or you can use 2, it doesn't matter. But this is how the craft is supposed to end up, and you have enough materials for 2 in each Take and Make kit. So that concludes our November Take and Make. Again, our Take and Make kits will be available at the Mechanicsville Branch on Friday, November 4th. They'll be available when we open, and they're first come, first served. Again, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you all next time for December, as we will be presenting a video and a Take and Make kit for scratch-off holiday cards. We'll see you all next time. Take care.